Welcome back to the OpenAI Codex CLI course. Sometimes one session isn't really one job, it's 2 or 3 lines of work tangled together. In Lesson 17 we meet the agent command, which lets a single session hold more than one agent thread and switch between them. Let's open the terminal and run more than one line of work at once. We're deep into a ref actor, but a second task just landed. Let's use agent to keep them separate. We type the word agent on its own to see what threads exist. Right now there's just the main one carrying our ref actor. Codex treats each thread as a separate line of work, with its own context, so nothing bleeds between them by accident. Now the second task arrives, and instead of derailing the ref actor, we spin up a new agent thread for it. Codex creates a fresh thread called docs, gives it its own clean context, and switches us into it so we can start work immediately. Watch the header. It now shows we're inside the docs thread, not the main one. That little indicator is how we always know which line of work we're driving, because the two share a session but never share context. With the docs task handed off, we switch straight back to the main thread by name. Everything we had before is still exactly where we left it, the ref actor mid-flight, the plan intact, because Codex kept that thread alive the whole time. So this is the parallel work dial. Alongside fork, which branches a conversation, and side, which asks a quick aside, agent lets you keep several full tasks running in one session and move between them at will. Here's what to keep. The agent command switches the active thread, so one session can hold several lines of work at once. Each thread carries its own context, so a quick task never disturbs a long-running one. It pairs with fork for branching and side for asides, covering parallel and tangential work. Find the full Codex CLI course at Standarity.com and join us in Lesson 18, where hooks automate scripts around Codex's lifecycle events.